Are you living the life expected of you rather than living the life that you expected? Are you living someone else's dream? Maybe you're doing what your parents want you to do. Today, we live in a world where we have choices. You don't have to do what your parents expect you to do, like living in a boring house in a subdivision and driving a minivan. You can live in a log cabin on a beautiful lake and drive a dirt-covered four-wheel drive pickup truck if you want. Freedom!
Live happy, fun-loving, and carefree.
So think back in your life. Dig deep into your memories. Think about what you enjoyed doing as a child, as a teen, in your early 20s. Doing this will really help you decide what you are truly passionate about and what you should be doing with your time. Time flies when you're doing what you love. 5 hours will feel like 5 minutes. Today, we live in a world where, again, we have choices. You don't have to do what your parents expect you to do. You don't have to live your parents' dreams. Nope. Maybe you see yourself living off-grid, independent of rising energy costs. Hey, maybe you see yourself cruising and exploring the backroads in your RV. That sounds pretty cool. Maybe you just want to enjoy lying back in the warm grass. Look up into the bright blue sky while listening to the soothing sounds of water or guinea hens, watching the fluffy white clouds float by. Why are you unhappy? Why aren't you living the life of your dreams? I wrote these words many years ago. Have to put glasses on so I can see. Maybe it started when you attended the college your parents wanted you to attend, instead of the college that you wanted to attend. Maybe you moved into a charming house in a proper subdivision with an appropriate car in the garage, when you really wanted a comfortable log cabin on a beautiful lake with a dirt-covered four-wheel drive pickup truck in your driveway. The point being, most likely, you are living the life expected of you rather than living the life you expected. Most likely, you are living the life expected of you rather than living the life that you expected. Sounds about right, doesn't it? So I grew up in an outdoor, physically demanding family business, started by my grandfather. At 17, I headed off to college to get a good old 4-year bachelor's degree. At that time, I kind of assumed I'd quit it. Go on. Hey, I kind of assumed that I'd come back to the family business after graduation. You know, doing what was expected of me. But I headed off in a different direction with my life. Because school was easy for me, every time struggles got a little bit hard, hey, I just went back to school to get another degree. That's what I did back then. Hey, long story short, with all of my degrees, I ended up in a career that I had absolutely no passion for. I liked the benefits of my career, but not the actual job. We could live wherever we wanted to live. I made good money, and I actually liked the people that I worked with. And I liked the people we worked for. We were helping people, which I liked doing. I like solving people's problems. The thing is, I couldn't wait to leave the office and get home so I could ride on my tractor and mow the lawn or chop and split firewood for the wood stove. That's what I really like to do. When I was in my 30s and into my early 40s, hey, things were fine. I could manage all of this. But because I had absolutely no passion for the actual job, when my eyes started to fail me, today I can't see a thing without glasses. You're all blurry when I look at you. when I hurt my back, when state regulations started to pile up, hey, even my insurance wanted me to update my building and all my equipment. And this just is to name a few things. I just decided to walk away from it all. Adios. This is when we decided to sell off all of our belongings, the house, the cars, all our furniture, everything we owned, and we moved on to a sailboat. Burn every bridge out there. Sail away. Hey, imagine waking up on the water, sipping coffee in the cockpit, and taking a big breath of fresh, clean air. Being able to go wherever you want, whenever you want. Freedom! So why is this important to you? It doesn't matter if you are in your 20s or even in your 70s, or hey, anywhere in between. It's never too early to start, and it's never too late to start living your dream life. Are you having no fun in your life? Yep. You're unhappy with things, right? I want you to stop living an unfulfilling, deferred life and start living a happy, fun-loving, carefree, exciting life. Freedom!